In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make increases. But before we do that, since we've already learned a lot of stitches, let's recap. The first thing we learned was how to make a slip knot. This is how we make a slip knot. Now you put your hook through, pull it, and then we make a chain. 1, 2, this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've made a chain of 11 here. You can see. Now we will take a stitch marker and mark our first stitch, which we are going to make a single crochet stitch. How do we make a single crochet stitch? Is we put our hook through straight away, wrap the yarn around, pull the yarn under. Now we will have 2 loops on a hook and we pull through. This is how we make a single crochet stitch, and we will always mark our first stitches. Okay, the next stitch that we learned was the half double crochet stitch, which is wrapping the yarn over. We'll have 2 hoops, pulling it through, pulling a loop. Now we have 3 loops, wrapping the yarn and pulling it through all 3 loops. We have just made a half double crochet stitch. Next stitch that we learned was a double crochet stitch, where we wrap the yarn. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, put it through the chain, pull up a loop. Now we will have 3 loops on our hook, just like a half double crochet stitch. But in this case, what we will do is we will wrap the yarn and pull through 2 first. We have pulled through 2. 2 loops will be left. Once again, wrap the yarn and pull through the last 2. This is a double crochet stitch. The last stitch that we learned was the triple or the treble crochet stitch. In this case, you will wrap the yarn twice, which leads you to have 3 loops on your hook before you put it inside. So now you will put it through the chain space. You will pull up a loop. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. In this case, you will wrap your yarn, pull through the first 2. Then you will wrap your yarn and pull through the next 2. Again, you will have 2 left. Once again, wrap the yarn and pull through the last 2 stitches. This is the last stitch that you learned, which was the treble crochet stitch. Now, what is an increase? An increase is simply making 2 of your pattern stitch. So if you have an increase mentioned, then it will be in the same space you will make 2 stitches. So let me go back. Okay, if we go back, I pull through, assuming you are doing a row of single crochet stitches. Okay, you did 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Now the pattern reads that there is an increase. In this case, what you will do is you will put 2 single crochets in the same space. That is what an increase is. Basically, you're adding 2 of the same stitch in the same space. So if it is a increase in half double crochet, then you will make two half double crochet stitches in the same space. The increases are added to widen the project or the circle, whether it is in a line or it's in a circular form. The goal is to widen the project. So if we started from with 11 and we are doing 10 stitches in every row, when as you add increases, your number of stitches will increase in every row. So stitches increases basically means that you are adding two stitches of the same kind in the same space. So if it is a single crochet stitch, you will just add a single crochet twice in the same chain space. That gives you an increase. I hope it was not confusing. Happy learning, happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.